Most people make buying Bitcoin way harder than it needs to be. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step process to buy your first Bitcoin safely and easily, even if you have never touched crypto before. I hear this all the time. People want to buy Bitcoin, but they are scared of making a mistake. They worry about getting scammed, picking the wrong platform, or accidentally losing their money. And honestly, those are valid concerns. The crypto space can feel like the Wild West if you do not know what you are doing.
But here is the good news. In 2026, buying Bitcoin is easier and safer than ever. I have personally tested multiple exchanges and walked dozens of beginners through their first purchase. What I am about to share is the simplest, safest method I know. No unnecessary steps, no confusion. All right, here is the step-by-step process. Step 1. Choose a reputable exchange. An exchange is simply a platform where you buy and sell cryptocurrency. For beginners, I recommend starting with well-known, regulated exchanges. Look for platforms that have been around for several years, have strong security measures, and are licensed in your country. Some of the most popular options include well-known platforms. The key factors to consider are: is it regulated? What are the fees? Is the interface easy to use? Does it support your country? Step 2. Create your account. Once you pick an exchange, you will need to sign up with your email address and create a strong password. Then comes the KYC process. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. This means you will need to verify your identity by uploading a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver license, and sometimes a selfie. I know this feels intrusive, but it is actually a good sign. It means the exchange follows regulations, which helps protect you. Step 3. Secure your account. Before you deposit any money, turn on two-factor authentication. This is usually called 2FA. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from an authenticator app every time you log in. Never skip this step. It is one of the easiest ways to protect your account from hackers. Step 4. Deposit money. Most exchanges let you deposit funds through bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Bank transfers usually have lower fees but take longer. Cards are instant but cost more. For your first purchase, I recommend starting small. Even $20 or $50 is fine.
You are learning, not trying to get rich overnight. Step 5. Buy Bitcoin. Now for the exciting part.
Go to the trading page, search for Bitcoin or BTC, and place your order. Here is an important tip. A market order buys at whatever the current price is, which can change quickly. A limit order lets you set the exact price you want to pay. This way, you have more control and avoid overpaying during sudden price jumps. Step 6. Move your Bitcoin to a secure wallet. This is the step most beginners skip, and it is a mistake. Leaving your crypto on an exchange is like leaving cash on someone else's desk. If the exchange gets hacked, you could lose everything. Move your Bitcoin to a personal wallet. There are two types. A hot wallet is an app on your phone or computer. It is convenient but connected to the internet. A cold wallet is a physical device, like a USB stick, that stores your crypto offline. Cold wallets are for beginners. A hot wallet is fine to start. Just make sure you write down your seed phrase, which is a set of 12 to 24 words, and store it somewhere safe offline. Never share it with anyone. Never take a screenshot of it. Never store it in the cloud.
And that is it. 6 steps and you are officially a Bitcoin owner. Now, buying Bitcoin is just the beginning.
The real question is, what do you do next? When do you buy more? When do you sell? How do you build a portfolio? These are the questions that separate people who make money in crypto from people who lose money. If you want a complete roadmap that covers all of this and more, I have linked a resource in the description that walks you through everything. Check the link in the description or the pinned comment. Full disclosure, it is an affiliate link, so I earn a small commission if you sign up, but it costs you nothing extra.
I only recommend it because I think it is genuinely the best.
Drop a comment below telling me, did you buy your first Bitcoin yet? Or what is holding you back? I read every single comment. See you in the next video.
Most beginners spend all their time figuring out what to buy and when to buy it.
But almost nobody thinks about when to sell.
This is a huge problem. Without an exit plan, here is what happens. The price goes up and you think it is going to go higher, so you hold.
Then it starts dropping and you think it will bounce back, so you hold. Then it drops 70% and you are stuck.